So today I'm going to show you guys how to make giant paper flowers, specifically the ones at the top left corner. So for your supplies, you're going to need cardstock, a glue gun, scissors, and a pencil. So you need 4 main pieces. I suggest when you cut them, just trace them out and cut the same thing out again once you decide the shape and what you're happy with. So here I'm drawing the biggest size petal. You can kind of take it into your own hands how exactly you want the top. I did do kind of like the top, honestly, I saw from another DIY, which I'll leave a couple linked in the description. You can do different flowers and stuff like that. I did cut a 1-inch incision on the bottom for assembly later, and I am rolling them now. I'll probably roll them again later because they lose their roll a little bit if you have them sitting for too long and they're not assembled. This is the smaller piece that I'm cutting here, and I'll make the 1-inch incision in all of them because that's exactly how you're gonna put them together and hot glue them onto the circle, which we'll also see. And mind you, the actual cutting, it doesn't really matter. Don't be too OCD about it because it definitely doesn't matter in the long run, especially since they're so huge. You don't notice the little tiny imperfections of them. So here I'm just installing it. I have my very hot glue gun ready, and I just put a dot or a little line in the 1-inch slit. I push them together, and then I glue the bottom, as you don't see me doing there. And then I attach it onto the circle, which I did cut myself. I just eyeballed it, and I did 2 cardstock circles and I glued them together so it could be nice and hard. And here you see the 4 that I did. I just kind of put them in a whatever I thought was cool looking. At this point I already made like 3, so I was getting a little more creative with it. After you copy someone's tutorial, if you copy this one or you copy another one, you go to your second one and you feel like a pro already. So for this I didn't make like a lot of different size petals, but it worked out really good. And I had it curl in, and a lot of the ones I did were curling out, like the actual petals, and they look a lot different. You see how where I started was curling in, I did a couple curling out. I thought that was really cool. So here I'm just finishing up. The flower's almost finished. It turned out really great, and try not to use purple glue. The actual purple glue I was using, it showed a little, but it was okay. And I was listening to Chance the Rapper. That's why I'm moving my hand like that. Chance the Rapper, ooh, baby daddy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great day, evening, whenever the hell you're watching this.